Do you suffer from Cricut confusion? Cricut confusion affects over half of Cricut owners. You or someone you know could be suffering in silence. Even worse, they could be posting their questions to crafting Facebook groups and then getting advice from other people who may not even know that they too are suffering from Cricut confusion. The symptoms of Cricut confusion include believing that the Cricut can print, believing that this can somehow sharpen your Cricut blade, believing that turning off the bleed will somehow fix your Cricut print then cut issues, not understanding the difference between an image and an SVG file. But here's the good news. You can recover from Cricut confusion. 100% of the people who have used my Cricut resources have seen a reduction in their Cricut confusion. Additionally, many of those people have gone on to be able to identify others that are suffering from Cricut confusion and help them. If you believe that you or someone you know is suffering from Cricut confusion and would like a free assessment of your symptoms, contact us now.